Which command is used to display multi-car company list in same city?
First of all, the transaction code CL, then the city and the airport, city or the airport code.
Right. What does DNC transaction code means?
Don't know car.
Right. Why the area identifier code are used?
To narrow the car location in just one word.
Right. What code is used for rail in area identifier code?
X.
Right. What is the command to book a vehicle from multi-car company? Availability.
Can you please repeat?
What is the command to book a vehicle from multi-company? Availability.
First of all, the transaction code CS, then the vehicle line number.
Right. What is important to keep in mind while booking a car?
The car should be booked. The car should be booked in one family member who take all the responsibility of that vehicle.
Right. What does transaction code CA means?
Car availability.
Right. What is the command to display a list of the cheapest hire cars offered by all car companies located in the destination airport?
First of all, the transaction code CA, then the segment S, then the code S for segment.
Can you please repeat?
First of all, the transaction code CA, then the S code for the segment number.
Right. What will be the command to display car hire location for a specific area within a city?
Within a city, first of all, the transaction code CL, then the airport and the city code, then hyphen, and then the airport and the city code, then hyphen, and then line, and then the first of all, the transaction code CL. Pass.
Wrong.
Correct.
What is the command to display the location of a car hire offices for a specific car company?
Location, first of all, the transaction code DNC. First of all, the transaction code DNC. Can you please repeat?
What is the command to display the location of a car hire offices for a specific car company?
First of all, the transaction code CL, then the two-letter company code, and then the airport and the city code.
Right. What command to give to know the name or city code for the car company?
Can you please?
What command to give to know the name or code of the car company?
First of all, the transaction code DNC, then the name of the city, then the name or the code of the car company.
Right. Which code is used for east of city in area identifier code?
E.
Right. Which code is used for airport area in area identifier code?
A.
Right. Which code is used for airport terminal in area identifier code?
T.
Right. Which code is used for the city center in area identifier
C.
code? Right. Which code is used for the north of the city in area identifier code?
N.
Right. Which code is used for the west of the city in area identifier code?
W.
Right. Which code is used for the south of the city in area identifier code?
S.
Right. Which code is used for the resort location in area identifier code?
R.
Right. What code is used for rail in area identifier code?
X.
Right. Which code is used for port ferry in area identifier code?
P.
Right. Which code is used for hotel in area identifier code?
H.
Right.